In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for jobs on LinkedIn. Navigating the job market can feel overwhelming, but with LinkedIn, you have a powerful tool at your fingertips to make your job search smoother and more efficient. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to apply for your next opportunity. Firstly, head over to the LinkedIn website. You'll be greeted with the option to sign in. You can simply click on sign in with Google or continue with your already existing LinkedIn account. Occasionally, for added security, LinkedIn might ask you to solve a CAPTCHA. It's a straightforward process intended to verify that you're not a robot, ensuring the safety of your personal information on the platform. Once you're logged in, your next step is to explore job opportunities that align with your career interests. To do this, locate and click on the jobs icon. This page is your gateway to countless job listings tailored to various industries, experience levels, and geographic locations. As you scroll down the jobs page, you'll notice the top job picks for you section. This area is specially curated based on your profile, previous job searches, and applications. It's a great way to discover opportunities that match your skills and career aspirations. Take your time to browse through these recommendations. When a job listing catches your eye, go ahead and click on it to learn more. Here you'll find comprehensive details about the job role, including responsibilities, qualifications, and company information. This is your chance to assess whether the job aligns with your career goals and if you meet the required qualifications. If you found a job that feels like the right fit, look for the Easy Apply button. LinkedIn's Easy Apply feature streamlines the application process, allowing you to submit your application within a matter of minutes. It's a convenient option for busy job seekers. After clicking Easy Apply, you'll be prompted to proceed by clicking Next. LinkedIn might ask you a series of questions related to the job. These could range from your availability to start work to specific qualifications you possess. Answer each question thoughtfully, as this information will help the employer gauge if you're a good fit for the role. Following that, you'll have the opportunity to type in additional information or answers. This step is crucial for showcasing your suitability for the job, whether it's typing out a brief cover letter or providing more detail on your experience. Make sure to communicate clearly and concisely. Before you submit your application, LinkedIn offers a review step. This is your moment to double check everything you've entered or uploaded. Ensure that all information is accurate and reflects your professional credentials in the best light. Making a good impression starts with presenting yourself accurately. Finally, the last step is to click Submit Application. Congratulations, you've officially applied for the job. LinkedIn will confirm your application has been submitted, and from here it's a matter of waiting for a response from the employer. Applying for jobs can be a stressful process, but with LinkedIn it doesn't have to be. By following these steps, you can efficiently search for and apply to jobs that interest you, all while showcasing your professional experience and skills to potential employers. Remember, each application is a step closer to your next great job opportunity. Keep applying, and best of luck in your job search.